All right, we'll move for you. Looks like there's a little shallow spot right there. I want to hit that. It looks like there's a tree or something in the water there. Where's Mom at? Got one? Oh! Mom over here sneaking us fish. What? That's what I'm talking about. About time. What you got, Smalley? Drop shot? We coming over there, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Fishy Elliot out here just caught a fish. At least she got the skunk out the boat. I didn't. But she got the skunk out the boat. Grab that You swallow it? Grab him. You don't need that thing. Scared of what? That little Smalley? Nice little Smalley. Look at that. Oh, she got a little Smalley. All right, there's fish in here. Fat, right? Eating up. You swallowed a drop shot or what? Wacky. That's your live. I don't know where my other phone is. That's a stud there. Sorry, doing some little recording for Fishy Elliot over here. Got a stud, Smalley. Grab that guy. Grab the belly. Hold her out. Hold her out nice. There you go. Sorry, guys. Fishy Elliot out here got herself something nice. Now turn it on before you clip it on there. I'm going to say 2 and change. 2. A solid 2.
Mom, when you got that?
It's on pounds. Mm-hmm. 2.4. Turn around to me. Nice little 2-pounder. Got a little 2-younder. That's what we call those guys, 2-younders.
Dad, look at his stomach. His stomach is big.
Take your thing off. Let me give him a little water. Fishy Elliot out here. Yep, Simone Biles. Here. It's still recording. I'm not going to let him go. I'm giving him some breath.
Okay, give him some breath.
Fishy Elliot caught this guy. What? All right, Fishy Elliot. Go ahead, you can take him. The same thing. Put your hand. Yeah. Got him? You recording her? I'm push you away. There you go. What's that? All right, I'll turn my camera. My God, Fishy Elliot out here sticking some fish. That's what I'm talking about. Dang, she's out here spanking me today. That's the same fish. I don't care. Dang, she out here kicking my ass today. Kelly Drive. All right, I'm gonna check that out. I know what? She ain't never catch no fish like this. Today I don't catch nothing. She gonna catch 2? Get out of here. Get out of here. Go somewhere else. The largemouth? Yeah. You caught a largemouth and a Smalley right off the same point? That's what I'm talking about. She doing the thing. I'm not. Go follow Fishy Elliot. She knows how to fish. I don't. I'm a wiener. It's that new Bonafide. Largemouth. That's a stud there. That's another 2-pounder. Where them people saying you don't catch nothing? I got largemouth and a smallmouth in the boat in 10 minutes. What's up? She catching them. Fishy Elliot. Got him. Yep, finally. Finally. Got that skunk. Oh, a largemouth too. All right, I'll take her. Take a little largemouth. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Nice. Got the skunk out of the boat, guys. Nice little largemouth. You guys see that guy? Oh, there he is. Wow. Nice guy, huh? A little dank, but you know, got the skunk out of the boat at least. Mm-hmm. You want him?
Oh, watch out for your face, man. Smoking down. Ready?
Get in there. Get in there good. That's a nice one there. Go ahead, get in the camera there. You release it. What you got? Largemouth? Give him a kiss. And put him in there nice.
Dad.
Hmm.
Bleed him in the nose.
Yeah, a little bit. I mean, it's where he got hooked. Mm-hmm. A little fish there, a little largemouth. You let him go?
Tongue was really good.
Yeah.
I mean, his. Gotta say it. His tummy. My hands are freezing.
Are freezing cold.
Because his gloves are so cold.
Mm-hmm. I'm happy I got the skunk out of the boat. We're good. We can go home now. You know, I caught one. I'm happy.
Dad caught a largemouth.
Finally. Yeah, just off this right here.
Right off this bridge of the tree.
Finally. God, took forever. It's a nice largemouth though. All right, I know we out here, we busted them up today. Not. Caught one, but it was a beautiful day. Loved it, enjoyed it. Catch you guys later. We'll be probably having a bonfire. Discussing how bad the day it was today. And we'll be on the bus.